making of the movie you've just seen. As you can see, we are very hard at working on this movie. Rachel?
Well, I'm going to want a lot of this stuff moved out of this room. These two chairs can stay, but all this is going to have to be cleaned up and just looked after. You girls are going to have to move into the other room soon. And
Producer, do you think this is a good dress for the movie?
try something simpler, jeans and stuff like that. Not the dress. You don't need
Oh,
it.
the producer. Wouldn't let me wear the outfit. Can you believe that? Well, it doesn't look good on you anyway. Oh, shut up. Oh, yeah. Can you believe it?
The wife of a director.
Hey. How does this look for a backup?
Don't tease me, Rachel. Help me clean up this room.
I wasn't teasing you. Come on. This is ridiculous. Who locked the door, guys? Man.
Rachel, you're being more trouble than anything else. This is unbelievable.
Hey! You've got a pinch behind your ear. We have had some difficulties with the adults, too.
Hands up, you no good sleazy. What's 1, 2? Put your hands up, you 2-bit no good sleazy mafiosa.
You know, those adults, I just can't believe the problems they have caused. I mean, your mum, Vicky,
I know.
She goes, hands up.
I know, I can't believe it. She just
And
goes
so
away.
with the producer, he told her to do that.
Oh,
And
I know.
Mafiosa.
We had to cut all that out, the whole thing,
The whole
hands
thing.
up. We had to cut the whole thing out, and we had to do it again, you know. And we did it
And then after that, she has to come up with this word.
Yeah, what was it?
Mafiosa.
Mafiosa. And then your dad, John,
I know,
he picked his
nose.
nose.
He just picked it right there.
He picked it. He picked
It right there in front of everybody.
Oh,
In front of
the
the
camera.
Yes,
Oh,
on the
the
film.
film.
He
That's
just
not
goes,
even on the
Picked it.
I think we should hire those adults.
I don't know. I think we should just.
They're more problems than they're worth, aren't they?
Yeah.
I thought they were supposed to teach us, and we're teaching them.
Yes.
I mean, isn't it like, oh, stop picking your nose, you little one? But it's just like, John, he picked his nose. He picked his nose.
Right there. Right there.
I mean,
But he
the
didn't
two
hear
guys.
that. Right
Yeah,
there.
he just goes, that's right. He picked it.
I mean, he picked it.
And your mom. Oh, and I mean, my mom and my
Put your
dad.
hands up.
Yeah, and I mean, they're sitting there in the chair
Mr.
going.
Five.
Yeah,
And they show
Mr.
their feet. Isn't that
That's
sick?
right. Yeah.
All hairy and
No, I couldn't believe
He
it.
picked his nose.
I know, he picked his nose.
I hope he washed his finger afterwards.
Yeah, I know.
No, he did. He didn't even.
Put your hands up, you 2-bit no good sleazy mafioso.
That's right.
He picked his nose.